Looking for an Ethernet cable that won't let you down? Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working from home, a reliable connection matters. That's where Monoprice's Cat6 Ethernet cables come in, designed to deliver consistent, high-speed performance without the usual headaches. What sets these cables apart? For starters, they use 24 Aruban fluorines stranded pure bare copper conductors, not copper-clad aluminum. This means you get true UL code 444 and National Electrical Code TIA 568C. 2. Compliance, meeting strict fire and safety standards. The result? A cable that's safer, more durable, and better at carrying data without interference. Plus, with a 550 MHz bandwidth, these cables handle high-speed networks effortlessly, supporting everything from HD video streaming to intensive online gaming. The design also focuses on user convenience. Each cable features a snagless boot that protects the plug's retaining clip, so you won't worry about accidental damage when plugging or unplugging. The 50-micron gold-plated contacts ensure a solid connection, reducing signal loss over time. And since these come in fixed lengths, you save time and avoid the hassle of building your own cables or dealing with tangled messes. One user from the United States summed it up perfectly: great product. Many colors available to suit your individual needs and preferences. It has and will last for many years. That kind of reliability is exactly what you want when setting up your home or office network. If you're ready to upgrade your network with a dependable, high-quality Ethernet cable, Monoprice Cat6 cables are worth a look. They combine proven materials, thoughtful design, and solid performance to keep your connections smooth and steady. Try one when you're ready. It's a simple step that makes a noticeable difference.